Celebration in our lives. Celebration are special moments in our lives when we come together with family and friends to enjoy and share happiness. They can be national, religious, cultural, or personal. Celebration mark our lives more colorful and help us create unforgettable memories. In Azerbaijan, we have many wonderful celebrations. One of the most important is Nowruz Bayram. It marks the beginning of spring and is full of excellent tradition. People clean their houses, cook special food like plow and shekerbura, jump over fire, and visit relatives. We also celebrate New Year's Eve with fireworks, gifts, and a family dinner. Children love this time because they receive presents and enjoy the festive mood. Wedding and birthday are other joyful celebrations. A wedding is a big event where two families come together and there is music, dancing, and lots of delicious food. Birthday are more personal but still very fun, especially for children. Celebrations are not only about fun, they are also about love, respect, and keeping or tradition alive. No matter how big or small, every celebration brings people closer and fills our heart with joy.